Nelson Chamisa, the young leader of Zimbabwe's opposition, stood before them. Ivory Coast, a nation familiar with its own trials, listened intently. He spoke of a nation yearning for change, for progress, for recognition. Chamisa's message was clear. Zimbabwe is more than the sum of its challenges. It is a nation of immense potential, of vibrant culture, of resilient people. His plea was simple: look beyond the headlines, beyond the stereotypes, and see Zimbabwe for what it truly is. The response was electric. Cheers erupted, a wave of hope washing over the crowd. In that moment, it felt like a turning point, a chance to rewrite the narrative, to reclaim their story. But the journey, as they knew, was far from over. For too long, Zimbabwe has been defined by its struggles. Economic hardship, political instability, these narratives have dominated the global perception. The world has heard tales of hyperinflation, of land disputes, of human rights concerns. These stories, while important, paint an incomplete picture. Lost in the headlines is the vibrant tapestry of Zimbabwean life, the warmth of its people, their resilience in the face of adversity, the richness of their culture expressed through music, dance and art, the breathtaking beauty of its landscapes, from the majestic Victoria Falls to the rolling hills of the Eastern Highlands. Zimbabwe is a nation of contrasts. It is a land where ancient traditions meet modern aspirations, where the echoes of a colonial past mingle with the dreams of a brighter future. To truly understand Zimbabwe, one must look beyond the surface, beyond the easy narratives. One must listen to the voices of its people, their stories of hope, resilience, and unwavering pride. Writing a new chapter for Zimbabwe. The journey to change perceptions will be long and arduous. It requires a collective effort, a shared vision for a better future. Let us be the generation that breaks down the walls of misconception and builds bridges of understanding. To the people of Zimbabwe, embrace your story. Share your culture, your resilience, your dreams with the world. Be the ambassadors of your own narrative. To the international community, engage with an open mind and a willingness to listen. Support Zimbabwe's journey towards progress and prosperity. Together we can rewrite the narrative. Let us usher in a new era for Zimbabwe, an era of progress, of prosperity, of hope. That's it for today on Zim News Live, YTS. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates.